Guys, my name is Ben Guilford. I'm the owner of the Melbourne Fibre Company, and today we're here at T'Gallant Winery, where we've actually put in a commercial version of our brick oven kit. This is a D160. It's an absolute monster. T'Gallant approached us about 6 months ago, looking to replace their old wood-fired oven. They're putting, on a good day, they might cook 400 large pizzas in it in 4 hours, and they said, we need something bigger, we need something that can run at a higher temperature. What can you do for us?
My baby.